Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel OrgaNatic. If you are tired of digging through a cluttered closet to find your favorite outfit, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing my top closet hacks that will help you save space, stay organized and transform your daily routine. And now let's get started. Belts are found in practically every closet, and surely many of us store them like this. But how about this idea? We pass the end of the belt through the buckle and roll it up tighter. And here's what we get. This way the belt won't unravel and will take up far less space in the closet. You can store belts this way either in a small box or on a shelf. Oh, how could this happen? A pen mark on a white t-shirt doesn't look very appealing. Let's do an experiment. I pour milk into a bowl and heat it by any method, in the microwave, on the stove or in a milk frother. Now I place the t-shirt into the bowl so that the marked area is submerged, pour hot milk over it and leave it to soak for about 20 minutes. Then I rub that spot a bit and voila! The pen stain is gone and the t-shirt is saved. If you've ever ordered pizza delivery, you've probably seen those little plastic stands inside the box. They're used so the top of the pizza doesn't come into contact with the box lid. Don't rush to throw these holders away, because they can be useful for organizing space. For this I'll need double-sided tape. You can order it online or find it in a hardware store. It's very functional because it's reusable, sticks firmly, but doesn't leave marks when you remove it. Cut off a small piece, stick it to the outside of the pizza box stand and attach the resulting hook to the inside of your closet. Now you have a place to store your favorite jewelry. But that's not all. You can also use these hooks on an interior door, maybe to hang clothes, or even to store a razor in the bathroom. You can bring plenty of different ideas to life depending on your needs. Have you ever seen those organizers with multiple compartments? They're typically used to keep things sorted in a closet, and not just in a closet. Imagine placing one of these organizers right into your suitcase. It will make it much easier to find the items you need while traveling. After all, during trips we don't always have a spacious, convenient closet, but with this organizer you can keep all your things right in the suitcase. It's very light, so it won't add much weight to your luggage. And this organizational helper can really make your life easier. Check out this cool idea for keeping order in your closet. If you store clothes folded, try installing a pull-out shelf. You can use that surface to fold clothes on. It's really convenient. You just pull out the shelf, fold a sweater or shirt and put it away in its place. Staying organized has never been so easy. If you can't install a shelf, you can get creative and use a piece of thick felt or something similar. Place it directly on a pull-out drawer and use it just like that shelf. Here's a great idea for making a multifunctional hanger with your own hands. You'll need a regular hanger, some S-shaped hooks and a bit of string. Tie the hooks to the hanger one after another like this. That's basically it. This handy setup can hold just about anything: jewelry, tank tops, maybe even ties or scarves. And it's all made by hand with things you probably already have. In my previous closet I stored my pants on regular hangers or in these vertical organizers. And in our new home I fulfilled my long-time wish by getting this wooden pants hanger. My closet space here is 75 cm wide, and all the pants are hung in pairs on each bar. As much as possible I arrange them by color and category. I specifically left this part of the closet open because it holds the clothes I'm currently wearing on a daily basis. This storage method has proven to be quite effective. It's very convenient to use, and all my pants and jeans are always inside and in perfect order. Does this ever happen to you? You open your closet, look at everything inside, and still feel like you've got nothing to wear. I used to feel that way too. Everything I had was either out of style or didn't work for every situation. Then I found a simple solution that totally changed my wardrobe: a versatile business suit from YY Nuda. Mine comes in a gorgeous shade of blue, and it's perfect for all sorts of occasions. When I need to look professional, I wear the blazer and pants with a crisp dress shirt and a polished tote. But if I am running errands, I swap the shirt for a casual tee, throw on some sneakers and grab a backpack. Heading out for dinner, I just slip on some heels and a chic top. Or if I'm going shopping and want a more relaxed look, I'll wear the blazer with jeans. There's so many ways to style this suit, together or separately, that it has completely refreshed my wardrobe. If you want to stay on trend, save time and finally stop feeling stuck with nothing to wear, this YY Nuda suit is the perfect fix. You'll find the link to the suit down in the description. A mirror in the closet is definitely useful, and from my experience, not having one can be very inconvenient. If you don't have the option to install a full mirror, I can recommend an acrylic version. You can easily stick it to the inside or outside of your closet. In my closet, I'll attach it right here on this door. It's a very practical solution, it doesn't take up much space, and it's easy to remove if needed. If you've piled up a bunch of t-shirts that need to go on hangers, try this quick method. Slide the t-shirts onto your arm. Then in just a few seconds transfer them onto the hangers like this. Fast, simple and easy. Would you like your clothes in the closet to always smell fresh? Here's what you can do. Take self-adhesive felt pads, the kind you put on chair legs. Add a drop of essential oil, and you've got a DIY freshener. Simply stick it to the closet wall, and your clothes will have a pleasant scent. One of the main reasons for clutter in the house is the lack of a specific place to store things. Take home clothes, for example. When we are not wearing them, they often end up on a chair, the floor, or even on the bed. And there can be plenty of items without a permanent storage spot around the house. To maintain order, find a dedicated spot for every item you use daily. For example, you can put a special organizer in your closet. When you know exactly where to put something and where to find it later, keeping things tidy becomes much easier. For this storage tip, we are visiting my UI Arena, a professional organizer. In this pull-out drawer, your summer clothes are neatly stored in vertical stacks. And here's a great tip: keep your swimsuits in Ziploc bags. When you are packing for a trip, just take the whole bag and place it in your suitcase. You'll be sure to have the complete set. Later you can even bring your wet swimsuit back home in the same bag. If you'd like to see another super useful closet hack video, go ahead and click on the one that just popped up on your screen. If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!